This is the new Canon camera that we have in addition to our Sony's. It works very similar. There is a wrist strap. There is no neck strap on this, so when you're using this camera, make sure that you wrap the strap around your wrist to go in the hauls. The lens cap is here on the front. It is attached to the camera, so it'll dangle from the side. Do not remove it. You have a power button right here at the top. The lens pops out just a little bit, not near as much as on the Sony camera. This is the shutter right here. When you're ready to take a picture, you click on it. Here, this button allows you to zoom in and zoom out. This does not have the same settings as the Sony camera. You don't see the dial. It is already set up to take pictures in automatic, so you don't have to worry about doing that. It also is capable of taking movies. Instead of pressing the shutter button though, there is a record button on the back. And when you click on it, you can see that it starts recording. You click on it again, and it stops. You can review your photos by clicking on the play button and then using the arrows here. Everything else should work automatically. Now, this particular camera, when it's time for you to download your photos, you will have to put the lens cap on after you turn it off. On the bottom, you'll carefully slide that open, and you'll see that the battery and the SD card are right here. If you push lightly on the SD card, it pops out. I'm going to show you from a slightly different angle. Press lightly, it pops out. Same way to put it back in. There is a slot on the back of your computer that you will insert this in. It goes this side up, and it only goes part way in, so be gentle, don't shove it. And you'll give it a minute for it to pop up on the screen showing that you have a drive in the computer. You'll have to eject it after you finish copying your photos and after you delete them from the SD card. And then you put this back in and gently slide this closed. The cameras are delicate. Be gentle. If you break them, you have to get them repaired or replaced.